Namaskar students. Today you will learn about the fill. There are three types of fills in MS Excel. In previous video we have seen formatting data in MS Excel. If you have missed that video or you have not watched the complete video, that video you will get in suggested videos on top right corner in I button. So just go through it and then come back here so you will get more idea how to use it. Okay, so some of the formatting I will use here, so that will be explained in the previous video. Okay, so now let me start today's session. Myself Sanjay Parmar, I welcome you all in my channel tutorial AICS IP. So now let me start. So the first fill is called autofill. Autofill means it will fill the series automatically. If you are typing few numbers like 1 or 2, and then it will fill the series whatever numbers you want. Some day means the day of the week. If you want to fill the entire week days like Sunday, Monday, so that you can fill by using autofill. Then name of month. The name of month also you can generate list using autofill. So first is autofill, second is custom list. Custom list you can prepare from options, file, options. That means you can create your own list. So that is the second option. And third one is flash fill. So these three fill you will learn in this video. So watch the complete video and enjoy. Okay, so let me start with autofill. Autofill is very simple. First you have to start with numbers. Let me start with numbers 1, 2. First you have to type 1 and 2. After that select this both cell 1 and 2, both cells you have to select. When you select these cells you will get the fill handle. Fill handle means this small square, it is coming at this corner. This is called fill handle. So on that you have to point out your cursor. Now when you point out your cursor here, the cursor will be changed. Right now see, it is coming like this plus symbol, white plus symbol. And when you move this pointer on this fill handle, it will change like this. When it change, then only you drag up to whatever number you want. Okay, continually you can click and press your mouse click until you get the last number. So click and press your mouse click until you will reach to your desired last number. Here I want to generate up to 40. See, this is the magic of autofill. So you can fill the numbers using this autofill option. Okay, so whenever such serial numbers are required, you can fill like this. Even it can fill numbers at regular interval also. Here it is regular interval only, that is 1. Now suppose you want to fill the series like this. First should be 1, then second should be 3. Now next should be what? So it will decide itself. See, here when you drag it, you will get the number like this, alternative 1, 3, 5, 7. We can say it is series of odd numbers. So all odd numbers series will be generated. So like this you can generate series. Any series you want, you can try different numbers, but the condition is first step you have to type first 2 initial numbers. So if you type initial numbers, then you have to select both the cells, then click on this fill handle and then drag it. So you will get the series. Okay, so you will convert your numbers into series easily. No need to type all the numbers. So now whenever you are preparing any Excel sheet, such numbers are required. You follow this pattern and apply into your daily work. Okay, now let me start with days of the week. So first I want to start with Monday. Second, Tuesday. Now Monday and Tuesday, 2 days I have already entered. Now select both the cells After that, place your cursor here on fill handle and then drag it up to the last day of the week. See, and if you want to continue, suppose you are preparing calendar, you can continue with number of days, whatever you want. Okay, so likely you can generate days of the week. Another is months of the year, January, February, like that. Suppose you want to start with April, as our school starting with April. Our school generally starting academic sessions from April only. So that's why I have generated April. So here the link is generated. Let me change. As I taught you, format. So go to the home. Then if any format is coming, type like this. Now this link is there. Let me remove the link. Link is coming from here. Hyperlink option is there. In insert, no. Okay. So might be some keys pressed here. That's why it is coming. Okay, leave it. No problem. Now select these two cells. Then drag like this. So you will get the same. See, here link is generated. So alternatively link is also coming. So like that you can prepare the list. Suppose I want to prepare the list from April to March. So I have started with April, May, June, July. Like that you can generate the entire series. So this is autofill. So likely you can generate any kind of list, whatever available in MS Excel. Now let me move to the custom list. Custom list means what? Suppose you have a class. Now in your class there is a fixed list, means number of students are fixed right now and you want to use them. Whenever you type the first name, all names should come itself. So that is called custom list. How to prepare it? First you have to prepare your class list somewhere. So let me start with this column. I am typing 5 name here. You can type as many as more you want. Okay. So here I am typing first name is Arpita. Second name is Alpa. Third name is Bhavna. After that boy's name starting. So boy's first name is Ankit. After that Bharat. After that from C, let me start Chandu. So these names I have typed. So this list I am going to use frequently and I don't want to type it again and again. So what I will do, I don't want to use copy paste also. When I will drag the series, it will come automatically. So first step is you have to select your names or whatever text you have written, that you have to select. Then go to file, click on options. Now here you will get advanced tab, this one. Click on this advanced. Here you will get general options. So find out that general. In place of this you will get general. So drag it down until you will get the general. Display is coming, display, formulas, when, general. So here you are getting this general. Under general, at last you will see create list for use in sorts and fill sequences. So here you have to click on this edit custom list. Now again here import from the cells. Select from this list whatever you want to use. Again I am showing this one, repeating the same step. Remember, first you have to type your list, then select the list. After that file, options, then find out advanced, first advanced tab, then go to general. Find out the option general here. So in general you will get create list for use in sorts and fill sequences. Click on this button. Now import from cells. So from which cell you want to import? We have already selected, that's why it is coming. If it is not coming, click on this red arrow and then select your cells where you have entered your names or whatever list you are generating. You can generate list like stationery, purchase item, sold item, whatever. You can prepare it differently. So here I have prepared this student's name list. Then click on import. When you click on import, the names are coming over here. You can observe the names are displayed. Now click on OK. And when you finish, click on OK everywhere. Now just type the first name only and then drag it. So you will get all the names, see, automatically. Okay, and it will be repeated when you drag it more. So like that you can create your custom list. Okay, this helps you to avoid typing again and again. So these names you need not to type. In any sheet you can apply. See, I am selecting here new worksheet. Now in new worksheet also I want the same thing. So I am writing here and let me try it is coming or not. Let me check. See, it is coming. So everywhere it will come. When you save your custom list in any sheet, it can be work anywhere, any cell. So this is called custom list. You can generate list like this. And the last one is flash fill. Flash fill means you can generate the flash fill by entering few entries. Okay, let me understand. Suppose these are the list. Now you have fixed pattern. So flash fill will work on fixed pattern. Fixed pattern means to say that suppose you are going to insert email IDs here. So email ID, one organization, all email IDs having the fixed pattern. Means first name dot last name and .com. So let me try here. Suppose as our school ID, suppose our school domain is there spv.com, like that. So I want to add like that only. So here let me add that surname. So surname I am inserting here, everyone's surname. Now here Ankit Panchal. Let me try this name. Bharat Chavda. Let me try different surname. Chandu Prajapati. Then Arpita. It is repeated name, so leave it. Now here the email ID is coming in this pattern. First name dot last name @spv.com. So this name is generated. Now you want to generate the flash fill. Means this name will come and email ID will be generated itself only. So what you have to do is first you have to go to home and here you will get fill. In fill you will get the flash fill. See, when you click on flash fill, all names will be generated itself. Okay, so like that you can generate the flash fill also. Now whatever name you will insert, suppose Pinang Sony. Now here you want to generate flash fill. Just click on this, click on fill and flash fill. See, automatically it is coming. So it has a fixed pattern. First name dot last name @spv.com. So if you want to use something like this, automatically it will be added. Suppose Gmail ID you want to insert, then you can write first name dot last name @gmail.com. So it will come like that. But that entry should be done in this manner and last name should be written in this manner. So first name and last name you have to write it properly. Then this flash fill will be generated itself. So I hope you understood these concepts. Now try to do the practice. I will provide you the practice list also later on. So you can do practice. Right now you do practice whatever I have done in this sheet only. And thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, subscribe this channel and continue learning. Thank you very much.